Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Nolly Williams here, and this is a gentle reminder for the homework assignment that you have this week. Now, you remember that in Nolly Coaching Club this past week, we talked about, by the way, we had a great coaching call last week. It was so much fun. We talked about using five-star reviews to build your business. And it's all about value proposition. I teach you how to quadruple your business while working just 3 hours a day. And the only way that you're going to do that is through leverage. You've got to leverage your business. So I want you to just as just a general reminder, make sure if you haven't already watched the training, go ahead and watch it. This was actually the last coaching call that we did from Austin. We're in the process of moving to Puerto Rico. And so actually right now I'm in Orlando, and tonight I'm at the EXP Shareholder Summit 2022, and tonight we have rented out Universal Theater or Universal Studios, the entire theme park. We've rented it out for 3 hours. We're going to have a great time, and a lot of our mentorship masters are here as well. So it's the EXP Shareholder Summit. But just a reminder for the homework. When you click on the lesson resources, it's going to take you to the resources. So you want to make sure you click on that. And in the training, I taught you how to get your first 10 five-star reviews. Okay, your first 10 five-star reviews. So make sure that um, you go through the resources and watch the training as well. By the way, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me through the Facebook group and or through the workplace group, depending on if you're in Mentorship Masters, you'll be in the workplace group. If you're not, you'll be reaching out through the Facebook group. So I appreciate you, love you, honor you, I respect you. And in fact, let me just quickly open up the lesson so I can show you something real quick. We talked about um, your five-star reviews, but I'm going to show you a couple of quick links in the lesson. You can see I have slow hotel internet here um, at the Rose and Shingle, but beautiful hotel. So let's see if you go to this page 15, it says click here to set up your Google My Business account if you don't already have one. On page 16, you can click in this link and it will open up my Google business page so you can use it for reference as well. God bless. All right. See you on the coaching call this Thursday where we're going to talk all about healing your business.